Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of the S10 revival. As you can see, put some wheels I've had on, or put some wheels on that I've had for years sitting in the woods, just to see what they look like. I don't know if I'm going to go with them yet, but they're a little different. I think they're off a Pontiac or something, I don't know. I'm going to be welding on an exhaust. Got all different kinds of pieces that I've had laying around. I'm gonna make something out of them. I'm gonna clean this out. If any of you know what this rear end is, somebody told me what it was, but I'm not sure exactly if it's what it is. Put it in the comments. See if anybody guesses it right. Oh, and got a rear window. This was actually out of my original one. My grandfather changed it out for a slider window, and found some mirrors. Alright, I'm going to start by cleaning the back of the bed out, and then we'll go from there. Oh, got the bed liner and the rear end and all the shit out. It's actually pretty decent. It's not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. There's really no rot on the bed on the inside, except for this little spot. Which that ain't bad. And this cross member, I don't know if you can see it, just that one spot. Nice. Wheel wells aren't even dented, so I'll probably leave that out. I'm not going to put it back in because it's just going to mess it up even more. Here's the original blue. I don't know if you could see it. Nice. Okay, I'm going to get that rear window out. Alright, that's in. That went a lot easier than I thought it was going to. I literally only used that big screwdriver. That was it. Sweet. Alright, let's do the mirrors next. Alright, mirrors are on. Yeah, that looks good. Tailgate's wasted. I gotta get a new one, but yeah, I'm happy the way that turned out for the first time I've ever done a back window. Alright, exhaust time. Well, you can see when the guy I got it from was taken to the scrapyard, he took the cat out and there's nothing else, so I'm gonna replace it with the stuff I have. Nice. Alright, got it mocked up. Just gonna tack it together, take it out. Tailpipe there. Old Flowmaster. Cool. Alright. Got it in. All painted up so it doesn't rust away the first year like it usually does. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Yeah, there it is. to get all that old gas out of her. I still haven't put any gas in it. It's the original gas. But, cool. Alright, well, that wraps it up for part 2 of the S10 revival. Kind of like those wheels, I don't know. Been holding on to them for probably 5 years. Did the exhaust, back window, mirrors. Things are looking good. Alright guys, before we end the video, I gotta give a shout out to Jake. He's a subscriber. He follows me on Instagram. He was one of the first ones to follow me on Instagram, and one of the first ones to follow, subscribe to me on YouTube. He always comments and everything. I really appreciate it. Comment, like, subscribe like he does, and I'm probably gonna do that 1 or 2 every video or whatever. And at the time I'm making this, we're up to 61 subscribers, which is pretty awesome because I think last time was 46. So pretty happy with that, and thank you everyone for subscribing. We're gonna have a lot of cool videos, I think, and we're gonna have some fun, play with some junk and mess around with the square bodies, buy some shit, sell some shit, scrap some stuff. We're gonna do everything. But alright guys, thanks. Till next time, till part 3 of the S10.